I'm Dr. Thad Dean, an orthopedic surgeon with AOA Orthopedic Specialists in Mansfield and Midlothian. I'd like to address a few frequently asked questions about robotic hip and knee replacement surgery performed using the Mako or ROSA robotic arms. First question that's commonly asked is whether or not the robot is actually doing the surgery. This is false. The robot is there as a precision tool. It helps us verify that implants are appropriately sized, balanced, and are custom fit to the patient that we're helping with a joint replacement surgery. In addition, the question as to what's the difference between a robotic and a non-robotic joint replacement surgery really involves the ability to use computer navigation to understand the position of implants to best optimize them for long-term lasting quality and pain relief. If you have any questions about robotic assisted knee replacement or hip replacement surgery, please call us at AOA Orthopedic Specialists in Mansfield, Midlothian.